Traceless film operation tutorial. First, plug in the power. Press Start button. Click to log in. Click on the phone. Select mobile phone model. Close the mobile phone film that needs to be cut. Check markless film. The traceless film has marks on one side. The other side is smooth and traceless. Put the traceless film into the film cutting machine. Click to start cutting. Cutting completed. Clean your phone screen with screen cleaner. Then wipe off the moisture with a clean towel. Uncover the holes in the upper and lower parts of the mobile phone film. Then peel off the white film. Place the mobile phone in the middle of the film applicator. Press the left auto fix button. Up, down, left and right automatic fixation device activated. Then rotate and raise the fixed frame. Remove the traceless film. Fix the traceless film holes on the film applicator. Then rotate and lower the holder so that it is close to the phone screen. Apply the scraper flatly to the surface of the mobile phone film and push it forward at a constant speed. Uncover the membrane. Press the left fixed button. Automatic return of fixtures. Take out mobile phone. Uncover the mask. High definition screen without trace. Anti-slip and wear resistant. Sensitive to touch. As comfortable as bare metal.